first. Look at this beautiful animation. You too can do this kind of animation. Let's learn. Here are the three different points which are in different text box has been arranged. To have an animation, let's select the first text box. Go to the customization animation. Add effect of emphasis. In that I am going to select the change the font color. I am going to change its color to the gray one, and I am going to make the speed of the animation very fast. Now again I will go to the second test. For this I am going to add the effect of appearance at the entrance itself. I am going to set this to animate with the previous one. So in this way we have animated. With first click the second one appears and first one fades. With another click the second one fades and the third point appears. Thank you.